This is 36-inch roll-to-roll sublimation printer. It's an industrial grade printer designed for long run, continuous printing and high volume production. It comes with dual XP600 heads. If you are planning to start jersey manufacturing, it's a very good option for you. Nowadays in 36-inch you get modified printers with external CISS system. These needs frequent chip reset and other maintenance. Even these modifications make the printer warranty void from the manufacturer. You don't get any kind of warranty. Even after doing all this, the printer is not designed for long run. It will start giving you issues in 6 months to 1 year. We have designed this printer to overcome all these challenges. Our printer has inbuilt tank system which will never need any chip reset. This is full metal body industrial structure which will easily last for 10 years. This is easy roll feeding mechanism which makes operating easier, and add-on thing is our custom made printing software Color Map Pro, which comes with color profiling. You can check the printing speed here in the software. Currently it's printing in production mode. It's around 12 meters per hour, and this printer will give speed of 8 meters per hour in quality mode and 12 meters per hour in production mode. With this speed, it has two heads, and if you want more speed you can upgrade to 4 head or 8 head machine. We can provide you, we can custom build for you. So with 4 head you will get speed up to 24 meters per hour, and with 8 heads you will get speed up to 48 meters per hour. So this is fully customizable as per your production demand. Coming to the maintenance part, this printer is very easy to maintain. Head cost is only 18,000 for XP600, and the other modified machines head will cost you around 1 lakh. So this becomes very easier to maintain. And these are some printer samples. Check the color brightness and detailing in the print. This is possible because of our custom software Color Map Pro. You can WhatsApp us now to know more about this printer.